Last SUI video I said we have a bunch of scenarios on the daily chart because we were and we are at a major area. We were looking if we would break this again. We did break it. We broke another trend line from the highs, and the question is, will this momentum continue? This video is no financial advice. There's a lot of very important stuff that are going on, especially right here, because we are at 83. Longs are at 83, and we just had a massive amount of longs closing, 1.9 mil. And I really want to see the 3-hour. And I don't think SUI is a bad coin, but I think it might crash because we're looking at an overall crash in the market today. We did have some insanely good buying opportunities, like right here. Even here wasn't a bad opportunity, but we definitely want to make sure we are in line with whatever is going on. Man, there's so many good trades here and there. Look at this. Every time we go, this is some secret sauce right here. This is some easy sauce, by the way. Taking trades like this is easy. The only situation, look, every time we go, let's zoom out a little bit and check out different scenarios. So right here we have longs closing. What happened? Next candle was a dump. Next candle was a pump. Not instantly, but we had a pump. Here, next candle was a dump. So we can have some really serious take profits around these rates. It's pretty easy to go for a 1-to-1 on whatever the previous candle was, from what I can see here, just based on that information. But to have a strategy that just relies on that, you gotta create a number of alerts to be able to monitor all of this information. But after that, you can definitely do some printing with some good setups. So here shorts are closed. Next candle, what was the AER? So this is 1.5%, this is 1.35%, and this is 4.5. Yeah, so 0.5, 0.7 would be an instant win. Man, we're getting new strategies all the time. So here, how long is this? I can probably make a script. This is 0.6 to 0.35. And we hit that right here. What about this candle right here? Man, this is some serious sauce. I don't know if you understand how valuable this information is. And the edge we're getting just from knowing all of this. Oh my god, this is something special. I gotta backtest it a little bit more, but man, I've got some trading ideas. What I think I'll do. By the way, on meme coins, we're up 274 grand. Right here, 274 grand on meme coins. If you want to follow the meme coin trades, let me zoom in on VOOX a little bit. You can go in the link in the description down below for the signals chat, and by the way, no financial advice, and also the course that I made pretty cheap, but I definitely think that's worth taking an interest in. So here's the scenario. Here's what I want to do here. I want to take, I will probably wait for shorts or longs going above 80 on the 3-hour. Also, right now, VWAP and money flow is going down on the daily as well. So what I think will happen here, and I want to write it down for you so we can see it in the next video. You can see that I was right. Even though it's not financial advice, you see I was right again. 2, this, plus 1 or 2 more red days. This is what I predict right here, because normally when we have a setup like this, we are red biased, we're due for a loss, for a red day, not for a loss. So being short biased would make a lot more sense. Just to give you an example, like some trades that were really hard was ICP, right? And ICP yesterday, we were long biased for a long time, so it made a lot of sense to go ahead and chase after the right trades. For example, being short biased here, here, and here made a lot of sense, especially in the beginning of the day. Short biased, and here you can switch on a long when we have this VWAP curvature, long, 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 long. Here it's, and you also want to switch to Heikin Ashi, right? Long from here, short from here, right? Before that we will be long biased, long, long, long. This is short and you had the wick. This is long biased, we had a pump. So every time you can definitely be very careful when you're using this information. So we combine all of that to create a good strategy. Also, use the link in the description below to sign up for Bingers. They're giving away 8 grand in bonuses. I'll make another video tomorrow. I love rambling with you guys and talking about crypto. See you next video. Bye.